Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be doing a Grove collaborative haul. If you haven't heard of Grove, they are a online website that sells all natural cleaners. I usually buy my all natural cleaners at like Target, like The Method, Mrs. Meyer's, etc. So stuff like that. But I thought I would just hop on Grove just to check it out again. And I always forget it takes like 2 or 3 days to receive all of your items. So I got on there and they're like giving away a ton of free stuff. So if you like hop on board to that, like I will show you what I got for free and what I bought. And I'm going to show you a couple of favorite cleaning products I've been using lately that are like I'm obsessed with. So I'm scrolling through YouTube watching like cleaning videos and things like that, and somebody used this Aunt Fanny's floor cleaners. So this is what made me get on Grove to begin with. It is a vinegar wash concentrate and it's in a bright lemon, so it almost smells like you are adding essential oils into vinegar with this. So I have used this like 2 or 3 times and I'm absolutely obsessed with this. I usually use vinegar and then I'll use like an essential oil in my Bissell Crosswave, but this I feel like is 50 times better than just using regular old cleaning vinegar. I don't know why, but I feel like that, I mean, it is a very strong vinegar smell. So if you don't like that, definitely don't go with something like this, but this is like my go-to now. Like I will probably only use my floors or only clean my floors with this from now on. I love it. And you don't have to use a whole lot. That's like the best part of it. I also picked up this cleaning vinegar and it is like an all-purpose spray. I have been using this as well, and it's for kitchen, bath counters, and more. And I love this too. This absolutely has the stronger vinegar smell, but I feel like my house smells like vinegar. It smells like super clean. So this is also by Aunt Fanny's and this is in the bright lemon. They did have other scents, but I just chose the lemon because that is just my preference. And the next thing is this baking soda cream cleaner. I clean my sink with this and this is amazing. I have not had this in so long and I am so glad I bought more of this because I have gone through quite a few of these. Was really excited to pick up one of these again, and like I said, this makes your stuff shine. I love it. I also wanted to try different items, so I bought this daily shower cleaner and it says a spray per day keeps the scrubbing away. So I really liked this. I really liked the idea of this, and I thought that if I just sprayed it in after my girls get out of the bath, since I take a bath at night and I take one in the morning, that I would just do it after their bath, so then I could wash everything away in the morning. But I'm hoping this works because I just scrub the crap out of my bathtub all the time. And then I also, which I will like, I don't know if you guys have pets, and I will definitely keep you updated on this. I'm just waiting for my pet to make a mess so I can use this. I've tried so many things. This is a Paw Sense lemongrass scented pet stain and odor remover. I bought this because I buy all kinds of pet cleaner because our animals are nasty. No, they don't poop and pee all over the floor, but our dog recently has been having seizures. Our vet doesn't know why. We also found out she had Cushing's disease not too long ago, so they thought that was the reason why. So she does have seizures, and obviously when you have seizures, things like that happens. So I did get this to try out next time that happens because that is what's going on with her right now. So anyways, I just want to try that. And then I got a bunch of stuff for free, which I'm excited to oh no, one more thing. And then I also picked up this e-cloth. People talk so much about this e-cloth that you just put water on it and then it cleans, and I'm like excited to try this one out. Like I haven't done a whole lot of cleaning lately because my kids have had snow days and I haven't felt like doing anything. So my cleaning habit is like running really dry right now. So if you guys want, after this video, if you watch it and if you want an update on what products I really like and what products that I thought was let me know in the comments below, and then I will give you a whole lowdown on that because 1, this video is not sponsored, so, and 2, I can tell you whatever I want because of my videos. So I'll let you know how all this stuff works if you really do want to know. And then everything I got for free. This was really exciting. I actually have one of these. I got this glass spray bottle for free along with a glass cleaner concentrate. I'm not kidding you guys. This is the best glass cleaner in the entire world, and I am not joking. Like I have tried every single glass cleaner ever, and I'm not, this is hands down the best one, and it's just by Grove, and it's a glass cleaner concentrate. And then I also got this caddy for free. Look at this. This is so cute. It's gray. It's adorable. And then I also got these 3 things for free, and I got these in the basil scent. These are also free. I got the multi-surface cleaner, the dish soap, which I love their dish soap. It is so strong. I think that is amazing. And I also got the hand soap. I'm not a big Mrs. Meyer's hand soap fan. I think it leaves my hands really gross, but anyways, it was all free. And also, I think because I spent $30 or $25, I also got this for free, which I haven't even opened yet, so I'm a little excited to open this. This is a stoneware tray. Oh, okay, and you put all your cleaning products on here. So that's really super cool. That was really exciting. I'm not even done, and you guys can call me cleaning product hoarder, but this kind of stuff is what I choose to use than when I used to coupon. I used to coupon and I used to get all like the Lysol and like Arm & Hammer or Mr. Clean. I don't remember, but I used to get all that stuff for pretty much free, if not like pennies out of my pocket. Like it was like chunk change, like it was like change you dig from your couch cushion or your car. Anyway, so this is what I really like to clean with now, so this is why I bought a bunch. Also, oh, I also got this for free too. So much stuff for free. This is a walnut scrubber sponge, and I can't wait to use this. Oh, there's 2 of them, and then you can even cut them in half to make 4, and then they'll last longer. So that's like a little tip. That's a little hack. Cut your sponges and they'll last longer and you'll have more. And you don't have to buy them as much. And then my next box, I did do 2 orders. I did like a gift set. I thought it was a little bit cheaper, or it was kind of like a gift set. So I had all the Mrs. Meyer's laundry detergent and fabric softener dryer sheets, and then like these little like scent beads. I cannot wait till my stuff runs out because I think this stuff smells amazing, and my husband smelled it and he just like, you could use it on your clothes, but don't use it on my clothes. I'm using it on your clothes. I also got this for free too. With this one, it gave me a free hand soap by Method. I love the Method hand soap. That was cool. I don't even know why. Like, so if you guys are like, oh my gosh, how did you get, I don't know. But I do know that the caddy with the gift set, I know that is going on right now. So if you guys do want to check this out, I have a little referral link in the description box if you do want to check any of this stuff out, or if you want to wait and see how I like these products or what I use them for, or if they're good or if they're not good. I grabbed these dish packs by Mrs. Meyer's. I really needed some of these anyways, so that's why I grabbed them. I don't know how well they work because I've never used these ones before. Usually I just buy the cheap ones. And like I said, I got the Grove fabric softener and laundry detergent, and then these like scent boosters. I love this lavender smell. I don't know what makes me like it so much, but I absolutely love it. And then I did grab some glass cleaner just to try this one out because I know this one is a more reasonable price. I think this was $2.99 or $3.99. So, and then this one was like really cheap too. So if you need to like add something to your basket to make like the $25 or the $30 limit, because I know they have like a certain limit to get free shipping. But anyways, those were like my little add-ons. And then I also grabbed a spray hand sanitizer. I carry so much hand sanitizer with me everywhere I go. This one is by Grove and it is in the blood orange smell, and oh my gosh. Okay, you guys, that is it for my haul. So tell me, what is your favorite all natural cleaners? I would love to know because I love trying new things out to see what works best for our home. And if you did like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you guys are new to my channel, I would love if you subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.